Hello everyone! It's so great to see you all. I'm so excited to be with you today and to talk about today's math topics. In our last lesson, we compared numbers by using the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. We compared these numbers by looking first at the tens digit and then at the ones digit. Today, we will continue to compare numbers as we practice organizing them from greatest to least and from least to greatest. That being said, I bet you can predict the goal for today. The goal for today is I can write numbers in order of least to greatest and greatest to least. Now, in order to figure out the order of our numbers, we need to be able to compare them first. Let's say I have the numbers 24, 46, and 32, and I want to order them from least to greatest. Should I start by comparing the tens first or the ones first? You're right. Just like we did in our last lesson, we will start by comparing the tens. The reason why we start by comparing the tens is because we need to look at the digit with the greatest place value first. Now let's go back to looking at our numbers. We have 24, 46, and 32, which means that we have 2 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10, and 3 groups of 10. Because 24 has the fewest groups of 10, 24 would be the smallest. Then 32. And lastly, 46, because 46 has the largest group of 10s. Right now, we have the numbers in order of least to greatest, but if we reverse the order of the numbers, then they would be from greatest to least. But what happens if I'm comparing numbers with the same first digit? For example, what if I have the numbers 46, 44, and 41? Oh, right, I would move on to the ones place. 46 has 6 ones, 44 has 4 ones, and 41 has 1 one. If I were to order these numbers from least to greatest, I would put 41 first because it has the fewest ones, then 44, and then 46 because it has the most ones. Now, what would I do if I wanted to show the numbers from greatest to least? Right, I would reverse the order of the numbers. Now that we have practiced ordering the numbers together, I want you to help me order the numbers from least to greatest. The next set of numbers are 25, 61, and 45. I want you to write these numbers in order. So at this point, pause the video and write these numbers down in order of least to greatest. Thank you for getting to work. Now, let's look together. Again, when I look at these numbers, I start by looking at the tens. 25 has the fewest groups of 10, so I will put 25 first. Then 45, which has 4 groups of 10. And finally, 61, which has the most tens. There we have our numbers in order of least to greatest. Nice work. Now I want you to help me organize another set of numbers, but this time I want you to help me organize them from greatest to least. For this set of numbers, we have 16, 61, and 26. Again, pause the video so you can write your answer down. Thank you all for working so hard. Now let's go over this together. When ordering numbers from greatest to least, we want to start with the largest number. 61 has the most tens, so that would go first. Then 26, which has 2 groups of 10. And lastly, 16, which only has 1 group of 10. Oh my goodness, friends, we have organized a ton of different groups of numbers today. So, it's finally that time where we reflect and we think about whether or not we reached our goals. Our goal today was I can write numbers in order of least to greatest and greatest to least. Friends, Not only did we do that together, but you also did that by yourself on a piece of paper. So I think we definitely reached our goals. So awesome job, everyone. In our next lesson, we will need to use what we know about comparing numbers to solve riddles and problems. Specifically, we will practice solving problems by making organized lists. Thank you for all your hard work today, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye, everyone.